Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May the peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah be with you. Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Anissa, and today we will learn about obligation as a part of our first learning material of this semester. Obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. For today's agenda, we will learn to understand the use of must, have to, and has to show obligation, and how to use the term correctly. Baiklah, untuk agenda hari ini kita akan belajar memahami penggunaan must, have to, dan has to untuk menunjukkan obligasi atau keharusan, dan bagaimana menggunakan istilah-istilah tersebut dengan benar. Alright, let's get started. So, imagine you're going to study abroad, or you're going to travel to other country, and you're going to get on a plane. What are some things you have to consider? Jadi bayangkan bahwa kalian akan belajar di luar negeri atau bepergian ke luar negeri, dan kalian akan naik pesawat. Apa yang harus kalian persiapkan? Correct. First, you must have ticket. Yang pertama pasti harus memiliki tiket. If you don't have it, you can get on the plane. Right? Jadi ketika kalian tidak punya tiket, secara otomatis kalian tidak bisa naik pesawat ya. Good. What else? Yeah, we have to have passport. Kita harus punya paspor. What happen if we don't have it? Apa yang terjadi jika kita tidak mempunyai paspor? Good. We cannot enter the country. Kita tidak bisa memasuki negara yang kita tuju. Good job, guys. Now, look at the screen. Sekarang silakan perhatikan layarnya. I have 3 sentences. The first one is, I have to have ticket to get on the plane. The second one is, you must be careful with your luggage. And the third one is, you must have passport when coming to another country. Now, in your opinion, how are the 3 share similarity? Sekarang, menurut pendapat kalian, bagaimana 3 kalimat itu mirip antara satu dengan yang lainnya? Good. So the 3 sentences tell us the rules when we want to travel across the country. Jadi 3 kalimat tersebut menceritakan atau menunjukkan peraturan yang harus dilaksanakan sebelum pergi ke luar negeri. must and have to. In the positive, must and have to have the exact same meaning or the exact same function. Jadi, must dan have to dalam kalimat yang positif memiliki makna dan fungsi yang sama, yaitu to state obligation or rules, untuk menunjukkan obligasi atau peraturan atau keharusan. Something that is very important. Sesuatu yang sangat-sangat penting. Basically, if you don't do it, there will be bad things that will happen or the consequence. Jadi ketika tidak dilaksanakan atau tidak dilakukan, maka akan ada hal buruk yang terjadi atau akan ada konsekuensi. Now look at the other examples. Sekarang ada 3 contoh lainnya. Example 1, Lina has to read the information on the screen since it is her first time flying. Example 2, bag, wallet, and luggage have to be checked when we check in. Example 3, Rafi has to be careful with his bag because the airport is crowded. Now let's discuss and analyze together. We have 6 sentences and some of them share similarity. Kita punya 6 kalimat dan beberapa di antara mereka memiliki kesamaan. And I have put the similar sentences into some groups. Dan Miss Isa sudah mengelompokkan kalimat-kalimat yang mirip menjadi beberapa kelompok. Right, the first sentence, we must have passport when coming to another country. Dalam kalimat ini, pattern yang digunakan adalah subject plus must and bare infinitive atau verb pertama. The second sentence, we must be careful with your luggage. Kita juga bisa menggunakan must diikuti dengan adjektif atau kata sifat dengan menambahkan be setelah kata must. The third sentences and the fourth sentences has similarity. Kalimat yang ketiga dan yang keempat memiliki persamaan. That is using have to, yaitu menggunakan have to. I have to have ticket to get on the airplane. Dan bag, wallet, and luggage have to be checked when we check in. Nah, bagaimana menggunakan have to? Yang pertama, kita harus menunjukkan subjeknya, lalu diikuti have to, dan bare infinitive. Subjek yang digunakan yaitu I, you, they, dan we. Kalimat kelima dan keenam juga memiliki kesamaan. That is using has to, yaitu menggunakan has to. Lina has to read the information on the screen since it is her first time flying. Dan Raffi has to be careful with his bag because the airport is crowded. Bagaimana menggunakan has to? Yaitu subject plus has to plus bare infinitive. Subjeknya di sini berupa she, he atau it. Is everything clear so far? If it is, now let's try and learn. The instruction is, look at the pictures carefully. Silahkan kalian perhatikan dua gambar dengan cermat. And read the sentences on the box. Categorize the sentences on the appropriate illustration. Jadi sudah disiapkan dua gambar dan juga 8 kalimat. Silakan kalian baca dengan cermat kalimat-kalimat tersebut dan kelompokkan kalimat-kalimat tersebut ke dalam kategori sesuai dengan ilustrasi dari gambar yang diberikan. Alright, thank you for joining today's class. Next week, we will learn more on prohibition and suggestion. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.